right here, Sunday, May 7th, 2023. This is my Starr Arms 1858 double action revolver, and I've had this thing. This has been hanging in a cabinet on the wall since I was a little baby. I've had this thing all my life, and so I took the handle off today, which is this screw right here that goes through the back of the grip and out the front of there, and so I took it out, and here's the broken spring. You can see the broken spring there, but it's got something engraved on it. It's kind of weird looking, and it appears to be a piece of stainless steel, and it's got some writing on it. It's got a patent number on this side, but if you look at this side, it says Coast something, or no, you know what that says, or used to say? It said Pabst BlueRibbon. Pabst BlueRibbon. That's off of a beer tapper or something, or some kind of Pabst. It's a good thick chunk of metal. It didn't make a very good spring very long. But at some point, somebody replaced, and like I said, this thing's been broken all my life. The 60 years, 70, 80 years ago, maybe, is when this was put in here. But there's the broken spring. Pabst BlueRibbon tapper or keg or something.